Chapter 53 Getting Ready for a Test. Our character is a young girl. She has to sit for the test. So she chooses the subject what she has to study, and then she sits down on the chair. She opens the book. She reads the lesson out loud. Then she closes the book and recites it. She opens the book again and repeats. She checks the lines she can't remember. She underlines them. She thinks again and again about these lines. Then she asks her younger brother to check the lines when she recites. He asks the questions. She can answer all of the questions. Now she feels relaxed. It is the right time to sleep. She arranges the books. She goes to bed and puts the blanket on her body. After a few minutes, she falls asleep and dreams about the test. In her dream, she passes the test without difficulty.